What's up guys, Tim Queen here. Welcome to another video, and today we're going to talk about how to dominate LinkedIn in 2021 with LinkedIn Stories. So what are LinkedIn Stories? LinkedIn Stories are a brand new feature that LinkedIn is currently rolling out across the globe. They are slowly doing like country by country, so if you don't have the ability to see LinkedIn Stories, just be patient. It will be eventually rolling out to your country as well. It's a feature very similar to Instagram stories or to TikToks or Snapchat. It allows you to either share pictures or short video clips of up to 20 seconds in length. You can place all kinds of gimmicks on top of your video. You can, for example, use stickers like animated GIFs. You can use a question of the day sticker. You can tag people. It's a bit limited. It's not as good as Instagram stories yet, but it's getting there very soonish. What you can then do is you can create content, short content bits. I really recommend that you start out with the question of the day. Not necessarily the question that LinkedIn is suggesting, but your own question of the day. Create a list of up to 30 questions that your potential customers might want to know about, and then answer one question each and every day. And you will notice you will get a ton of engagement. This is the brand new content type, so LinkedIn is going to push this. Initially, when it's just rolling out in beta, the engagement might be less, but once it's rolled out globally, this is going to be the new hot content type and it will dominate the entire platform. Now, if you say once per day is too much for you, here's my recommendation. Do at least one per week to just keep in your audience mind. It's really important that they remember you. What's happening on LinkedIn is if you don't post frequently enough, people will forget about you. So once per week is the minimum, once per day is the recommendation. And if you have special events, do at least 3 stories per day. For example, if you have an event coming up, or you have a product launch, or you have a big promotion coming up, make sure at least 3 times per day to really get the most out of this system. Now, in order to use LinkedIn Stories, you need this, your smartphone. Because LinkedIn Stories is only available on the mobile app of LinkedIn. You cannot create any stories on your desktop computer. At the moment, you can't even view them on the desktop computer. I'm very confident that it's going to roll out eventually, that you can see stories just as you can do on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok. But for now, you just have a mobile-only experience. I'm going to share some screenshots over here when you can see how I'm creating a story over here. You can either record one on the spot, or you can select something from your photo gallery, upload a picture or video, add some of the stickers. I'm going to scroll over here so you can see what you have on offer at the moment. And then you can tag people. You can add the question of the day sticker. But what I recommend, if you don't like the look and feel of LinkedIn Stories, just use another app. Use Instagram, create a short story, keep it less than 20 seconds. And you can just save this to your camera roll and then reuse that as a LinkedIn story. This way you get the most prettiest stories of all, and you don't have to create content twice. Now, how do you know who is watching your stories? Simple, just click on this button over here and you can see the LinkedIn stats for each of your stories. It will tell you exactly who was watching your story, and you can click through the profile and they can share this, they can send you messages. This is going to be a really amazing feature, and I'm really looking forward to this rolling out globally. And I can tell you, you should take advantage of this. This will be a great way to build a relationship on an ongoing basis with your potential clients by answering questions that they want to know about, so you can have a conversation starter. Because every time on a story, someone can send you a message if there are a connection of you, or they send you a connection request. So it's like a really good starter. If you carefully select your questions, it will really help you get your story in front of more people and to really dominate LinkedIn in 2021. Now, if you want to take advantage of LinkedIn and you want to really grow your business, you should check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, where I teach you my complete LinkedIn content marketing system that allows you to create all kinds of content on your personal profile, on your company page. You're going to see how you can use ads to boost your content. It's an amazing tool, and it helps so many people already to get so many high quality leads on LinkedIn. So make sure that you check out the link in the description and in the first pinned comment below. And I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next one. Bye.